A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. SAO Paulo. In a deeply emotional turn of events, Simone Guimarães, a 52-year-old retired educator from Rio de Janeiro, has shared her harrowing experience of losing at least 5 family members to COVID-19. Among those she mourns are her husband, sister, 2 brothers-in-law, and the godfather of her grandchild. The pandemic has not only robbed her of loved ones, but has also left a profound scar on her community, as she reflects on the loss of friends and neighbors. On Saturday, Guimarães awoke to the startling news that Brazil's Supreme Court had ordered the arrest of former President Jair Bolsonaro, a man she holds directly accountable for her personal tragedies. The court's decision came in the wake of allegations from a judge that Bolsonaro was planning to flee just days before he was set to begin a staggering 27-year prison term for his involvement in a coup attempt after losing the 2022 presidential election to Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva. "This is just the beginning of justice being served," Guimarães remarked, her voice laced with hope and pain. "Impunity cannot last forever. We have suffered greatly under his leadership." The news sparked a wave of emotions across social media, with many users paying tribute to those lost to the pandemic, a sentiment that echoed the reactions when the Supreme Court convicted Bolsonaro back in September. Although that conviction was unrelated to his handling of the pandemic, the memories of loss remain vivid for many, especially for Guimarães, who closely monitored every moment of Bolsonaro's trial. She shared a poignant memory from 2021, recalling the harrowing moment she sat beside her sister in the hospital. As they faced the reality of the virus, she remembered how Bolsonaro, then the sitting president, mocked patients who struggled to breathe. "I leaned my forehead against my sister's. She whispered, 'I can't breathe,'" Guimarães recounted, her voice thick with sorrow. Tragically, her sister did not survive. "I find it hard to even utter his name," she confessed, reflecting the deep anguish that still permeates her life. For Guimarães and many Brazilians who lost loved ones to COVID-19, Bolsonaro's conviction and impending imprisonment feel like a small but significant step towards vindication, even if it does not fully deliver justice for their grief. "I'm very afraid that this conviction for crimes will not bring back those we lost," she admitted, expressing a sentiment shared by countless others who have suffered similar losses. The emotional weight of this moment is palpable, as the nation grapples with the impact of the pandemic and the actions of its leaders. The Supreme Court's decision has reignited discussions about accountability and justice in Brazil, especially regarding the government's response to the COVID-19 crisis. As the country continues to heal from the wounds of the pandemic, the stories of individuals like Guimarães serve as a powerful reminder of the human cost of political decisions. The road to justice may be long, but for many, it has begun to take shape in the wake of this historic ruling. As Brazil looks towards the future, the hope for accountability remains a driving force for those still mourning their losses. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.